different matter.
Madam Speaker, why don't you let me talk? Why don't you let me talk, Madam Speaker? What wrong have I done to you?
Proceed. No, you have not done any
wrong.
Am
I always disturbed, Madam? Everyone
proceed.
has spoken.
Honourable member.
Why me do you behave like this, Madam?
No. Honourable member.
Kumeneko ndikulankhula kudandaula kwa ulemekezeka Sameer Suleman amene ndi phungu wa Nyumba ya Malamulo wa chipani cha Democratic Progressive Party DPP. Iwo wandithu amalankhula ku Nyumba ya Malamulo kudandaula kuti kodi aspeaker Nyumba ya Malamulo ndi chifukwa chani ine ndimati ndikafuna kulankhula mumanditseka pakamwa. Ndinakulakwilani Chani. Suleman amafuna kulankhula pa nkhani yokhudzana ndi mchitidwe omachitirana nkhanza pa nkhani zokhudzana ndi ndale pa Chingerezi kuti political violence. Amadandaula kuti nthawi zambiri timabwera pano kumanena kuti ayi political violence ndi zinthu zoyipa koma palibe chimene chimachitika pa ground. Ndimapseka kuti ku Central Region makamaka anzathu akumachitidwa nkhanza koma apolisi sagwira ntchito yawo. Zomwezo kuchitika chigawo chakumwera apolisi mapseka kuti athamanga kukamanga anthu aja nkuagwira. Kodi chikuchitika ndi chani kumene koti kunali kulankhula kwa Sameer Suleman m'Parliament. Tikhale limodzi kuti timve kuti analankhula motani pano pa Nyasa Voice Box.
It's not the first time we are discussing in this House issues to do
it's
with
about violence. Honourable, I said, is it on the same matter or is it a different matter?
Madam Speaker, why don't you let me talk? Why don't you let me talk, Madam Speaker? What wrong have I done to you?
Proceed. No, you have not done any
wrong.
Am
I always disturbed, Madam? Everyone
proceed.
has spoken.
Honourable member.
Why me do you behave like this, Madam?
No. Honourable member for Blantyre City Southwest. I asked you. No. Member for Blantyre City Southwest. I did ask.
Put a point of order.
Yes, but I gave so many people on your side to speak. All I asked was, are you discussing the same issue or you have another matter? I've actually recognized you to take the floor.
Madam Speaker, my apologies if there was a miscommunication. What I wanted to say, Madam Speaker, is that we are being cosmetic. We come here and we condemn violence. Madam Speaker, are we waiting for someone to be killed on these premises? Madam Speaker, Honourable Ilyas Karim was manhandled here at Parliament, thinking it was me. Right here at Parliament. You can ask him. He's from your party. He was manhandled right here at Parliament. Mistaken identity, Ndinakulakwilani Suleman. It was Honourable Biswick Million who went and saved him. I'm talking about people from that side. Now, what is happening, Madam Speaker, is that our police is only working in other regions, not in the Central Region. Violence happens in Dirande, the next day the police is there arresting people. Violence happens in Machinga, the next day police is there arresting people. We have issues of Mbowe here. We have issues of Mponera here. We have issues of here at Parliament, our ladies, honourable members. Tell me who has been arrested. You told us to go and see the CCTV. We know the boys. We know the people. And for Honourable Leader of the House to stand here and be condemning, that is fake. Because he knows those are his boys, those are his people. People who are, yesterday, Madam Speaker, civil servants were hacked. Some are still in hospital. We cannot tolerate this. Where are we heading to? And they know. They know what is going on, Madam Speaker. We need serious action from Parliament. And what Honourable Musowa said is true. Let military police, military army come and protect us. Because the police is failing to protect us. Mulu zatu member, Madam Speaker, if you don't take this serious, tipedwa. I'm telling you, this is serious, Madam Speaker. If it happens to you or one of them, they will know how it feels. But we cannot be doing this politics. We need to be civilized, and they know. They should be the first ones as a ruling party.
Honourable member, it was a point of order. I've given you almost 3 minutes. Thank you very much. And the issues that I think were already raised. Honourable members, we need to move. If it's on the same matter, I think we've made a